Hey Millennium BCP users struggling to log into your online banking in this year? Well, accessing your Millennium account is fast and secure with the app or websites. So guys, firstly, you need to access the login page. After that, open the Millennium app from Google Play or App Store. On the website, you can click login in the top right corner and the app tab sign in on the home screen. Never use links from emails to avoid scams. After that, enter your user code. It's a 8-digit number from your account agreement or matrix card. Then enter your multi-channel access code or app PIN. After that, for extra security, you can also need a SMS code sent to your registered phone. Most likely that's going to happen. After that, if prompted, confirm with mobile authorization in the app. Tap confirm on the display transaction screen, or enter the SMS code received. Click log in to access your account, dashboard for transfers, payments, or balances. Update your browser to Chrome or Safari for smooth experience. And that's it, you're now in your Millennium online banking. Got logging tips? Share them below. Hit like and subscribe for more banking hacks. Catch you next time, guys.